Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valerie. If you're new, thank you for stopping by. If you're not new, thanks for clicking to watch another video. As you guys can tell by the title, I am doing a BSW haul. It is Hair Care Sunday, and I wanted to share with you guys some of the things that I picked up from the beauty supply store. I went to the beauty I don't know how many times I went to the beauty supply store, probably twice or 3 times. I think it was 3 times. I've been to the beauty supply store and I picked up a lot of new stuff. I did use some of them in my hair today. I will be doing like a mini review because some of them I don't know how I feel, but let's go in the order of wash day. I didn't buy a shampoo because I only shampoo once in a few months, but let's start with COWASH. So the COWASH that I got is the As I Am Coconut COWASH. It has tangerine, coconut oil, castor oil, soft palmetto, and whatever. I have used this COWASH before when it was in the original packaging, and I really did like it. This was on sale for like $10. Originally, I think it's like 18 bucks. So this is brand spanking new. I haven't used it yet. I had a wash day last night, and I used shampoo because I had a lot of product buildup. But this COWASH is really good. It's been a while I used it though, so I have to use it again to be sure. But I remember it being like really soft in my hair and smelling nice. Those are 2 things I remember very well, being soft and smelling nice. So I got this. And then conditioner. So I picked up this new conditioner because I was looking for something different, but I saw this called I Am Hair Zion Collection. So it says it's a rich moisturizing conditioner and it's smooth and silky. It has vitamin E, argan oil, and peppermint. You guys, this has a strong peppermint scent. I mean strong. I'm going to put up a picture of like a product that my mom and hairdressers used to put in my hair when I was younger. It smells exactly like this product. The peppermint is strong, and it's one of those products that if it gets into your eyes, you're going blind. You're going to be blind. That's it. That's all I can tell you. You're going to be blind because it is strong. The scent is strong. The product is strong. Like when I was doing this, because I did film a wash day reel. You should check it out on my Instagram if you haven't. My Instagram, I'll put my name over here. I was trying my hardest not to get this into my eyes because that would have been the end. I would have don't. So this was like 10 bucks. I was looking for a product called Ultra Growth Conditioner. I did not find it at my beauty supply, but they were the same price, and this is 60 fluid ounces. It's a lot for $10. So and all my prices are in Canadian dollars, so if you're in US, it's obviously less money. So yeah, so let's do leave-in and styler. I bought this brand for the first time, and I used it in my hair today, and I do not know how I feel about the product. It is the TGIN product. So it is the green tea super moist leave-in conditioner with green tea plus argan oil, and then the curl bomb moisturizing gel. Okay, let's talk about this conditioner. This one, I don't hate it. I think it has a good slip, and I think it's very moisturizing, so I don't hate the conditioner. However, I think maybe my problem was I used it on damp hair, knowing that I have low porosity, so I should have used it in the shower on wet dripping hair, because that's what my hair likes when I apply my products in the shower instead of outside. But because I was filming a reel, I had to do it outside. But I did it with damp hair. It was okay. It didn't blow my mind. And for like $17, I just so it's only my first try, so I'm gonna try it like in the shower when I'm doing a wash and go, and then I'll come back and do a review maybe in 2 months or something. But right now it's just okay, and I wouldn't pay $17 for this right now. Maybe after I use it again and correctly with my hair wet, maybe I'll do that. And then yeah, this product, this one kind of pissed me off. The first thing that pissed me off about this is the cap. You know when they try to pretend that, you know, all you have to do is twist the cap to pop it open? It just popped open. Okay, that's fine. That's fine, it pops open now. But I promise you, I hate this. I promise you that it did not pop open when I was doing my hair. I promise you guys, I had to open it and scoop out the gel. I promise you. I promise you I know how to open it. I hate when stuff like this happens. I hate when stuff like this happens. But I promise, yeah, it refused to pop up when I was doing my hair. Anyway, that was my issue with the bottle. The product itself, again, it wasn't that great on my hair. You guys can clearly see I have 4C hair. But I don't think it defines my hair, but then, because it does say it gives curl definition without the crunch. Now I will say there's no crunch. It's very soft. It's like baby soft. Okay, not baby soft, but it's soft. But it's no definition. Now you might be like, okay, well, you have 4C hair, you don't really have definition. That is true, but that is partially true because my hair is 4C at the front and 4B at the back. So even if I don't have definition at the front, which I almost never do, there's usually definition at the back. But when I was using this, there was no definition at all. And like I said, because I do have low porosity hair and I use this on damp hair instead of my wet hair, maybe my hair just didn't absorb the product as well as it should. So again, I have to give these two another try in a wash and go, maybe when I'm not trying to film, so that I can take my time and just really experiment. But right now they're just they're both $17. That's a lot of money, so I have to give them another try. So the next product we're going to go to is like my curl refresher. I haven't used this product. Okay, the next 3 products I haven't used them yet, so I can't give you like a whole review. But if you have used them, please leave me a review in the comment. Let me know how you like them. Do you think it's worth the money? They're all pretty affordable. No, they're not. No. I mean, BSW is affordable, but they're big. They're over $10. So the curl refresher that I have is the MIELLE Style Rosemary Mint Styling Cream infused with biotin and encourages hair growth. So it looks like this. I have been curious about the brand MIELLE, so I felt like this is something to try out without trying the whole line, because I do like, when I buy a product, I do like buying the whole line. But yeah, I decided to just pick this up because I'm not going to be wetting my hair every single day because I want to style my curls. No. So this says section hair and apply product to damp or dry hair. So I expect it to work even if my hair is dry, because that's what he said. So this was $14.99, so 15 bucks. It says it's infused with biotin. So one thing I do want to say is biotin, the pill, breaks me out. It doesn't work for me. I have tried it. Literally the first day I took it, I broke out all over my face. And funny enough, I read about biotin before I purchased it, and the article that I read said if you already take in enough biotin and you try to take a pill, like a biotin pill, you will break out because your body already has enough. It doesn't need more. And there's a lot of biotin in avocado. So if you take a lot of avocado, you might want to stay away from the biotin pill because you're already taking enough biotin. So yeah, I'll let you guys definitely, like I said, I'm going to do you guys are gonna see me use this product and stuff like that, but yes, this is my like daily styler. And yeah, I wonder if I can just use it alone, like without having to pair it with any products. It says for best results, used as a daily styling cream for twist outs, braid outs, and wash and go styles. Girl, I'm just gonna use it as a styling cream because that's what you marketed it as, so I'm sorry. Now, the next two products, the final two products, are for my night routine. I'm getting back into the LOC method. I know people don't talk about it anymore. Am I doing LOC or LCO? No, I'm gonna do LOC. People don't talk about it anymore, but it really helped my hair growth when I started out natural. It really helped my hair growth when I started out natural. So I wanted to get back into it because, if you don't know, I am on a journey to waist length hair, and I want to do all the things that I did when I was going natural that got my hair to as full and as thick and as long as it is now, and see if those things will work if I do the same thing and get it to waist length. You know what I mean? Excuse me. And one of those things I did was having a nighttime hair routine. Now, I'm going to be honest with you, I've had this product for 2 weeks and I have not used it not once at night because it's a lot of work. So the first product that I have here is the As I Am So Much Moisture with tangerine, aloe vera, castor oil, vegetable glycerin, blah blah blah. So this was $12.99. I got this product because of Hairlicious here on YouTube. She raves about this product. I was actually gonna buy two, but I was like, girl, use the first one first, because she does have relaxed hair. And let me tell you, during the lockdown, I was so sure that I was going to relax my hair. I booked my appointment. I was ready. I saved up. I'm like, I'm relaxing my hair. But then I was like, no, I'm not relaxing it anymore. But I did pick this up, and I'm very excited to use it because she loves this stuff. Like, she literally raves about it. So I'm excited to use it. Maybe I'll start tonight before I put my hair in my bonnet. But yeah, I bought this, $12.99. I expect great things. I expect great things from you. And the last product that I'm going to pair with this is the As I Am Classic As I Am Double Buttercream with cocoa butter, shea butter, castor oil, and all of that. So y'all, this small bottle was $19. This thing, this is more expensive than the COWASH. Look at the size. So it says to rub a small amount with palms and scrunch onto hair gently so that coils and curls are undisturbed. So it seems like it's better. Most of these products seem to be better with twist outs and stuff like that, but I don't use twist out that often, so I'm just going to combine them for my night routine. I've also heard that this is good for 4C hair, which is why I picked it up. Okay, it's also sealed, so I can't smell it, but that's why I picked it up, because I heard it's good for 4C hair. Again, I will be reviewing all of these products eventually. Yeah. The last thing that I got from beauty supply store is a rat tail comb. I'm not the best at parting my hair. I don't know how to part my hair at all, actually. I can part the middle, but I can't part anywhere else. But I wanted to get this because I needed it. I felt like I needed it. This year I do want to try a lot of styling with my hair, so I got this. So that is all, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it to the end, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Please let me know if you've used any of these products in the comment section. Also, if you have low porosity hair, do you find that you have to apply all your products in the shower? Because it's frustrating. I mean, I used to do it, but I don't want to do it anymore. If you have low porosity hair and you feel like you don't have to apply all your products in the shower anymore, tell me what you did. And I know you're gonna say spray bottle, but to me it still doesn't give out enough water for my hair. my hair still is like, but that is it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.